News coming in right now. No questioning of Arvind Kejriwal's parents today. Sources within Delhi police have told India Today that cops won't interrogate the Chief Minister's family today. Statements of the Chief Minister's family won't be recorded today. They do want to record the CM's parents' statements in the Maliwal assault case, but that's not happening today is what we're being told. So the police won't be going over to the Chief Minister's residence in Civil Lines, Delhi today to record his parents' statement. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party had lashed out at Delhi police and the BJP, alleging that they've stooped very low, targeting the Chief Minister's ailing parents by seeking to question them in this assault case. Shreya Chatterjee, my colleague, is joining us for more on this. Shreya, what more can you tell us about why the Delhi police won't be questioning the Chief Minister's parents today, and when exactly are they likely to do it?
Well, Paulomi, first and foremost, this is a developing story that we are getting right now. The Delhi police sources has confirmed to us that today they will not be questioning Sunita Kejriwal and the parents of Arvind Kejriwal in the Swati Maliwal assault case. First, it's also important to clear out that as per the investigation protocol, because all of them were present inside the residence, the Delhi police had sent them a notice to record their statements about what really transpired, whether they were aware of anything. So it is a part of investigation procedure, but what we're learning that it is not going to happen today, and we're yet to get a confirmation on the next possible date that the Delhi police would proceed with this. But as of now, today the Delhi police sources have confirmed to us that they will not be questioning to record their statements of either Sunita Kejriwal or parents of Arvind Kejriwal.
So that is the confirmation that's coming in from the Delhi police that they will not be questioning the Chief Minister's parents or his wife Sunita Kejriwal today. When is that likely to happen? Of course, my colleague Shreya will be tracking that very closely. So this is all that we know in terms of the developments that are taking place in this case, where Arvind Kejriwal now has in fact broken his silence and demanded a fair investigation. So the row has completely exploded. Formerly close colleagues have now turned adversaries, engaging in a fierce war of words. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal finally broke his silence in the alleged assault case on his party colleague and Member of Parliament Swati Maliwal by his personal secretary Bibhav Kumar. That's an allegation yet to be proven. Arvind Kejriwal has now called for a fair investigation. Interestingly, he has noted that there are two sides to a story, he says. In response, Maliwal escalated her criticism of her party and its leader, stating she doesn't trust Kejriwal's words. She emphasized that Kejriwal's actions must align with his statements. Meanwhile, Delhi police will not be recording the statements today of Arvind Kejriwal's family members in the case of the alleged physical assault on AAP MP Swati Maliwal by Kejriwal's aide, Bibhav Kumar.
बहनों भाइयों, जिसने अपने गुरु अन्ना हजारे को धोखा दिया है, वह दिल्ली की जनता का कैसे विश्वास हासिल कर सकता है? जो माता बहनों और बेटियों की रक्षा जो सरकार नहीं कर सकती है, उस सरकार को सत्ता में बने रहने का कोई नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है। इन्होंने यही कहा था, चाहे जो कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं कांग्रेस के साथ कभी नहीं जाऊंगा। और आज कांग्रेस की बी टीम बनकर इंडिया अलायंस में यह काम कर रहे हैं।
देखिए, अभी तो हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि पुलिस कब आएगी। ये हमारे लिए भी चिंता का विषय है कि इतने बुजुर्ग, इतने बीमार माता पिता को अगर पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया जा रहा है, उनको मानसिक रूप से प्रताड़ित किया जा रहा है, तो ये हमारे लिए भी चिंता का विषय है। ये पूरा जो प्रकरण हुआ है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की साजिश है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को अब ये भी बताना चाहिए क्योंकि स्वाति मालीवाल जी से क्या डील हुई है जिसके तहत ये पूरा षड्यंत्र रचा गया।
नरेंद्र मोदी जी अरविंद केजरीवाल के प्रति अपनी राजनीतिक दुर्भावना, बदले की भावना में इस तरह नीचे आ चुके हैं कि पहले उन्होंने केजरीवाल सरकार के मंत्रियों को गिरफ्तार किया, जेल में डाला, फिर अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को पकड़ के जेल में डाला, और आज सारी हदें पार करके अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के बूढ़े बीमार माता पिता से पुलिस के द्वारा प्रताड़ित करने की प्रधानमंत्री जी ने योजना बनाई है।
नहीं, महिलाओं के विषय बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, उसमें कोई शक नहीं, लेकिन इस विषय पे जो आम आदमी पार्टी कह दिया उससे ज्यादा हमें कहने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। दूसरी बात यह है कि जब हमारे इतने बड़े बड़े विषय है, इतने बड़े मुद्दे हैं लोगों के सामने, बेरोजगारी, महंगाई, किसान की हालत, नगर की हालत वगैरह, तो उसमें तो भाजपा चाहते हैं कि हम दूसरे विषय पे जाके चर्चा करते रहे।
Now, Nirbhaya's mother, Asha Devi, has also voiced her support for AAP MP Swati Maliwal. Listen in.
वो सीएम हैं और भी राज्यों में है, पूरी जनता का उन पे विश्वास है। वो खुद ही कहते हैं कि हम दिल्ली का बेटा हूँ, भाई हूँ, तो उस भाई और बेटे के नाते, भाई के नाते उनको इस पे बोलना चाहिए। जो भी गलत किया है उसके खिलाफ सख्त कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए और उस स्वाति जी का सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि स्वाति जी ने उनके साथ 8-10 साल महिलाओं के लिए काम किया। मैं खुद जानती हूँ, मैंने खुद उनसे कई महिलाओं का केस करवाया है, अपने लिए भी मैं बार बार उनसे मिली हूँ। तो इस पे उनको एक्शन लेना चाहिए और स्वाति जी को इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए।
Now, the Kejriwal-Maliwal crossfire has become direct between Swati Maliwal targeting Delhi Chief Minister and the party supremo Arvind Kejriwal attacking her, though not naming her. In a fresh attack, Swati accused Kejriwal of unleashing an army of attackers on her and even letting prime accused Bibhav tamper with evidence allegedly. But remember, even after all the ugly flashpoints of the Swati Maliwal assault trial, Maliwal is still an AAP member of parliament. She has not resigned and the party has not fired her. Here's a report.
Once committed colleagues and soldiers on the same side. But now, sworn enemies in the year's most ugly political scandal. Days after the eruption at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence, one in which AAP MP Swati Maliwal claims she was brutally beaten up, refuted by her party as the fabrications of a BJP agent acting to damage the party during elections.
जो स्वाति मालीवाल जी का झूठा आरोप है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक षड्यंत्र है.
Now things have gone completely nuclear between the two formerly close warriors. Breaking his studied silence on Maliwal's allegations, Kejriwal told news agency PTI that he expects a fair investigation, pointing out that there are two versions of the incident and therefore both should be investigated. In a first direct attack on her former mentor and boss, Swati Maliwal has shot back, accusing Arvind Kejriwal of unleashing an army of attacks against her, labeling her BJP agent, assassinating her character, leaking her edited videos, victim-shaming her and roaming around with the accused Bibhav. More seriously, she accuses Kejriwal of letting Bibhav, who has since been arrested, re-enter the crime scene and tamper with evidence. This latest exchange represents the peak of this ugly flashpoint, far past the point of no return. Interestingly, Swati Maliwal continues to be an AAP Rajya Sabha MP and hasn't been fired from the party, despite the grave labels she has been slapped with. And with Maliwal openly expressing fear of a further smear campaign, expect this collision to only deteriorate. Bureau Report, India Today.